Welcome back to our channel. The image that we see is the Lorentz attractor, which is an irregular aperiodic oscillation. When the trajectory is viewed in three dimension, it appears to settle onto a thin set that looks like a pair of butterfly wings. The uniqueness of this trajectory is that it does not cross or merge even when time t tends to infinity. Lorentz achieved that by using the formula as displayed x dot y dot z dot, which are functions of x, y and z depending on values of s, b and r. The case considered is s equal to 10, b equal to 8 by 3, which is 2.666667, r equal to 28, with initial values of x, y, z as 0, 1 and 0. With this, the butterfly effect, which does not overlap even when the time is infinite, is arrived. Each value of x, y, z is calculated based on the previous value of x, y, z and the x dot values. Let us see how to implement this in Python and plot the graph. Let me take the number of steps to plot this initially as 100, steps 100, and have the list for x's, y's and z's as an empty list of size steps, that is 100 plus 1, so that list starts with 0, and the initial value of these things are taken as we have seen. The initial value of S, R and B are provided. B is 2.6667, which is nothing but 8 by 3, and there is a function Lorentz ODE which takes x, y, z as a parameter and calculates x dot, y dot and z dot, which are functions of x, y, z dependent on S, R and B, and it returns the calculated x dot, y dot and z dot. Now let us go and then get the series of values stored to our list SXX, YS and ZS. For that, let me take the delta time as 0.01. So for a steps of 100 incrementing at 0.01, we will get the values of x dot, y dot and z dot by calling the function Lorentz ODE and passing with the value for x, y, z from the corresponding list of x's, y's and z's. Here, as the I ranges from 0 to steps, we will get the values in terms of x dot, y dot and z dot depending on the previous value of x's, y's and z's. Now, the next value of sx is I plus 1, which depends on the current value x's of I plus x dot, which is a function of dt. dt is the delta time, here incrementing at 0.01. Similarly, the next value of ys and zs are calculated. So this for loop is used to calculate the derivative values from the previous values of x, y, z, and the resultant values are stored into the list of Sx, Ys and Zs. Now as a sample, let us print the value of Ss, which is a list of size 100. We can observe in our terminator almost 100 values are printed because we have chosen list of Ss as 100 with the initial value 0. As we can see, none of the values of Sx are overlapping. They are all unique. This will be the case for y and z coordinates because as per Lorentz attractor, even at time t to infinite, they don't overlap. To plot it in 3 dimension, let me import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. Matplotlib will give us the scientific plot to plot a 3D visualization of Lorentz attractor. We will plot the values from X, Y, S and ZS. First we have to have the 3D plot mentioned here. So we will call plot.figure, add subplot with parameter as projection 3D. By default it will be 2D projection. Then let me label the plot by calling the method setTitle as Lorentz attractor, so that our plot has a title called Lorentz attractor. And next we will give the parameters for our plot as the three lists Sx, Ys and Zs, and draw it as line width, and set the label for x, y and z as x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. And now let us call plot.show so that our plot is made visible to us. As we can see, the Lorentz attractor is plotted using matplotlib in Python. It looks like the loop on the left side is overlapping, but actually in 3D view they are not overlapping. Now we have taken only steps of 100. Let us increase the number of steps to 10,000 and then see to get the butterfly effects of Lorentz attractor. As usual, Sx, Ys and Zs, the list also increases to the step size. Here it is 10,000, and the for loop is used to calculate the values of these three lists for the steps 10,000 times, and we continue plotting in our 3D dimensions. We can see that the Lorentz attractor we got is like the butterfly wings, and none of the points merges even when the steps are for 1000.